long-rumored entry-level electric vehicle from Tesla, the Model Q, sometimes called the Redwood internally, is expected to make its debut in the first half of 2025, with a price target of less than $30,000 and possibly as low as $25,000 after subsidies. The Model Q will be constructed on existing assembly lines in the United States, allowing Tesla to control costs and speed up volume production. It is based on a blended platform that incorporates parts of Tesla's present Model 3Y architecture with parts of the next-generation foundation. The compact crossover aspires to achieve a range of up to 500 kilometers, 310 miles, from its low-cost LFP battery pack, while preserving Tesla's distinctive performance and technology. It is approximately 15% shorter and 30% lighter than the Model 3, with dimensions of 3,988 mm, 14,800 in, and a production cost that is approximately half that of the latter. While keeping Tesla's distinctive personality, the Model Q takes design cues from C-segment crossovers. To highlight its footprint that is suitable to urban areas, the Model Q will be around 15% smaller than the Model 3. It will also have sharper proportions and fewer overhangs. While keeping the two-tone contrasting roof option and pronounced wheel arches, the Model Q takes design elements from the redesigned Model 3 and Model Y, such as narrow LED headlamps, a streamlined front fascia, and clean minimalist body panels. To prevent delays to new factories, Tesla CFO Vaibhav Taneja said that the more affordable model will be manufactured alongside the existing vehicle 3DY line and will utilize current and next-generation platforms. The Model Q, which is being codenamed Redwood internally, will have a body and foundation that are modified versions of the Model 3Y. This will allow for considerable savings and improved production efficiencies, with a reduction in unit production costs of approximately 50% compared to the Model 3. A 53 kWh battery is available for cars with rear-wheel drive, and a 75 kWh pack is available for all-wheel drive. Both configurations use Tesla's long-lasting LFP, lithium iron phosphate, cells. Despite being positioned at the entry level, the Model Q should be able to achieve an EPA estimated range of about 500 kilometers, 310 miles, on its larger battery, and 0-100 km/h, 0.62 mph acceleration in the mid-6-second range for the AWD version thanks to its lighter weight, about 30% lighter than the Model 3, and aerodynamic efficiency. Streamlined controls, a touchscreen in the middle, and digital gauges are all hallmarks of the Tesla cabin, which adheres to the company's minimalist aesthetic. It has a premium feel despite its cheaper price tag, thanks to its high-quality materials, smart color-coded accents, and ambient lighting. To make sure the Model Q works with all of Tesla's expanding lineup of autonomous technologies, full self-driving, FSD, is available at an extra cost.